All right, so this is our question 2b now. So our question 2b reads, find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x power 3 minus 5x squared plus 8x minus 4 at x is equal to 1. So this question was carrying 3 marks. So make sure that you are following through. We have already answered the question 2a. Now this is our question 2b. And this is 2025 Mathematics Paper 2 for external candidates. So here you have been given this question. They want us to find the equation of the tangent for this curve. So step 1, we are going to write this curve that we have. So we have y is equal to x power 3 minus 5x squared. Okay, then we say plus 8x, then minus a 4. So what we are going to do is, first step, we are going to differentiate this equation that you have been given. When you differentiate this equation, we are going to get the gradient function. Then from that gradient function, we are going to substitute where there is x, we are going to put a 1 so that we come up with the numerical value for the gradient. Okay. All right, so here we are going to say dy dx is equal to, so when you are differentiating a function here, we are using just the formula rule where we say the power times the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of this x, it's a 1. So 3 times 1, you get 3x. So what will happen to the power? It will be 3 minus 1, to reduce by 1. Then minus, then what's the coefficient of this x? It's a 5. So we are going to have 5 times 2. Okay, then x power 2 minus a 1, then plus, so this x is having a power of 1, so 1 times 8, you still get 8, then x power 1 minus 1. Now to differentiate this constant, this will be a 0. Okay, to differentiate a constant there, it's a 0. So from here we'll say dy dx is equal to, so we are going to have 3x squared minus 5 times 2, it's a 10x, because 2 minus 1, it will be a power 1, then plus 8. Now for this one to be x power 0, because 1 minus 1 says 0. So here x power 0 will be a 1. So here it will be 8 times this one, you still get this 8. Okay, so this is now the gradient function. Now remember, they have said at x is equal to 1. So here we know that x is equal to 1. So this is the gradient function, but we need the numerical value for the gradient. So I'm just going to substitute where there is x, we put a 1. dy dx is equal to 3, then 1 power 2 minus 10, we put a 1 there, then plus 8. So from here we'll say dy dx is equal to, so 1 squared is 1, 1 times 3, minus 10 times 1, it's 10, then plus 8. So from here, our gradient will be equal to 3 minus 8. This will be a minus 7, then minus 7 plus 8. This will be a 1. So the gradient there was a 1. So after finding this gradient now, okay, after finding this gradient, let us now write this same function that we are given. Okay, so we'll say y is equal to x power 3 minus 5x squared plus 8x, then minus 4. So here they have told us that at the point when x is equal to 1. So I want to find the value for y, okay, because we already have the x value, so we need also the value for y, and we have the gradient here. That's when you are going to find the equation of the tangent. So from here we'll say y equal to, where there is x, we will substitute a 1. So here 1, 5, then even here 1 power 2 plus 8, then we put a 1 there, minus a 4. So this one is going to give us y is equal to, this is a 1, because 1 power 3 is a 1, minus 1 power 2, it's a 1, times 5, it's a 5, then plus 8. 8 times 1, it's 8, then minus a 4. So from here, we are going to have y equal to 1 minus 5. This would be a minus 4. Minus 4 plus 8. Okay? Minus 4 plus 8 to give us a 4. 4 minus 4, it will be a 0. So the value of y is a 0. So this means that we have 1, 0. And we also have the gradient m, which is equal to a 1. Now, since we have these 2 points, we can find the equation of the tangent. So to find the equation of the tangent, now we are going to use this formula, y minus y1 is equal to, we can say dy dx, or we can put m is fine, then x minus x1. So this is x1, this is y1, this is the gradient or dy dx. So let's just substitute y minus, where there is y1, we put this 0. Where there is gradient, we put a 1 there, open bracket, x minus, where there is x1, we put a 1. Okay, so you can see this 0 won't make any difference. So just write y equal to 1 times x, it's x, 1 times negative 1, it's negative 1. So this is our equation of the tangent. So as the equation of the tangent. So this was our answer. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. So if you need online tuitions in mathematics, biology, science, you can WhatsApp me on 0963 6766 15. 0963 6766 15. Bye bye.